Say mahu funny face me boa. One na yere no. Minim oni o pese o ka o mubum yesini. Na me am adwe ho na me say eh. Bi a pese o mo reconcile through the movie, which is not bad. Na mo kwaye ho press conference kwa na ka mo ya aqueen. Ah just say yeah can say ex-wife of funny face abaya ne bufu ya. Oye he na say me dwen say sini no. Role ben na we play na role ben na we play. But in all things we give thanks to God say ye nua be ma ne ho ye. Waba montene am ye hu say ne ho ye a ayeyan ye bra Kwaku Manu adaromenti no ne ho ye. Na say no ye kan ni ye kan. Na ye sere wonsa dan say yem say wo kan say ma ne nya fese ya ye besere. Ochina bi na akoye say wo ye re ye fi na oh. Wo ya ye ha no so ye ga ni pa de o ya de o say enti. Wo kan ya mon ka me ho na ye na Kwaku Manu asemfama no nti ye nti mfi na no mumba.
What happened that night? I mean, the night see with you upon by a man or what going through your mind now?
I just wanted to change. I just wanted to have the old me back. So it's, just anything to get the old me back. And my brother Kwaku help, so we give God the glory.
What have you missed? Then one message going back, funny face now man fall back, funny face now correct back, funny face no be actually the camera. What have you missed?
Oh, me missing. Yeah, just what happened is that I felt in life sometimes I used to be very hyper. So I think in life sometimes maybe you come maybe you yourself you don't know. So some things can happen to you for you to take a break. Then you can come back and do the right thing basically. So we give God the glory.
So I want to make sure of old videos you now your life and now call you watch them at times.
So most of the time during those days it was not you. You shy, you feel bad about it. But it is what it is. You just have to come back and work harder to be the old you.
I'm very, very happy to see you. Many
Enti yada se bebre yento aso asemu a me ba be kan obenya abotre na wati na no me koka asifade yi me point na say adapatwe na say wo mu twa bo me wo social but it's all good Stefano Bonsema Insurers Association for Bonsema wo me da mo se bebre because adwuma kwa de oye ne anu atamane say won ye adwuma no keep it coming me da mo se